So with this Power BI dashboard, we're focused on the portfolio. We have 13 different views in this content pack. From here, we can focus and filter by a investment manager. And so it'll give all of the investments, projects, and any other kind of investments that you have. And it'll summarize by that. Or individual investments themselves. So if you want to just look at one at a time. As well as leveraging some of the new capabilities within the hierarchies. So you could constrain this by, as an example, a specific hierarchy as well. And then it'll summarize for that hierarchy. So really giving you the best of both worlds from a portfolio perspective to visualize the information the way you want to see it. Having a Gantt chart so you can see the different investments. You can see them by swim lanes. And so here, if we want to look at this by goal, we'll see that these specific for, in this case, this FY24 digital hierarchy, we're seeing all the investments at the different levels, and you continue to manipulate them as makes sense, and you can determine what milestones that you would like to show. Summary of the status reports. And so you have charts here and filters. And so when we look at this, right now we're looking at this by overall status. We can change this up to say, how is this based on deliverable scope change or scope status? And then as we look at this, we can drill in and say, I only want to see the ones that are missing. And so we can see that we have 2 investments that do not have any status reports whatsoever. So it really helps you to drill in, get the data. You can drill through to detail. So in this case, if we want to find more information about the monitoring, we can get a summary page. In this case, we can drill through. So if we want to look at e-commerce portal, we can look at the investment detail, and we can see a summary for that particular item. We can view the change requests. Similar views for risks and issues. You notice here, I showed you the drill through a minute ago. There's also a link that I can drill back to Clarity so I can see the project itself and all the information. In this case, this is a project. Any of the investment data will drill you right into Clarity. In this case, we're looking at then all the effort. And we separated effort and cost because we know some of our customers don't look at both of those. And so they're on 2 different dashboards here. And then we also included trending. So what's going on over time? So we can look at an effort trend or a cost trend, drill in and filter, summary information, CapEx and OpEx in this case, milestones, and the ability to see the detail tasks. And then finally, staff and assignments. So in general, we've given you a lot of information. You see there's 13 different tabs. You may or may not want all of these, and that is okay. It's very simple to eliminate. Say, as I mentioned earlier, you don't do costing. You could eliminate the costing view and just show the ones that make sense for your organization. So hopefully this has been insightful.